Hey guys, just a really quick one here. I've just been going back to some woodwork. I haven't been able to get out much, so I've been doing it in the house. And just quick tips I've been doing is I've been clamping my wood to my table here, and then using my Moro draw knife to get the bits off that I need, and then I save it in there for later on using my Kelly kettle. But the reason I wanted to show this to you guys was something's working well for me, and I want to share it with you guys. And I showed this before in my Facebook group, these little packs here. It's a gun cleaning kit. There's the numbers. I'll show you better in a minute, but it's a really nice two-roll, compact, loads of side pockets here. You have pockets going across that way, you have pockets going across that way, and some over here as well as the middle. And it's just really nice way, compact way of keeping some carving tools like I've been using it for lately. You can make it into a fire kit or whatever you want, but once it's set up, I have something like this. So what I did here was, so what I keep in here is I keep a Kevlar glove. I'm very prone to cut myself. But then I keep like a stencil of a spoon in here that I did, so I do a certain type of spoon. It folds over really nicely, keeping all my tools in place. This is my knife at the moment that I've been using for wood carving. Very nice. Got it in my first RJ Bushcraft box. Not sure what it is, but it's just really good at the moment. So I'm using that. But like I said, keeps all my tools very nice. Got two different size spoons, knives, another small carving knife, some little tools there, knife sharpener. I keep a ferro rod, and I keep a bit of fat rope in here in case I want to do some burn bowls, stuff like that. But I just wanted to share this with you guys, because I can do what I want to do, put my stuff in here, roll up the edges on it, and then roll it up nicely. And then it's all compact, just chuck it in my bag, and I don't have to worry about any of it falling out. It's just really nice compact. So these go, I got two of these 50p off a car boot sale, but they do sell them on eBay for £12. I'm not sure about Amazon, but I'll put up all the details on the bag itself if you're interested in getting one of these. Like I said, make really good fire kits or carving tool sets or anything you really want to organize. So hope that helps someone, and I'll pop another video up later on. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you next one. Bye.